Namaste everyone. I'm going to share some idea about case study. In my previous video, I have discussed about what is case study, what is uses, and uh, how case study used or how can it be conducted. I have already made video for this, and next video I'm gonna try to make in case study about how what are the types of case study on the basis of type of investigation? I mean, it's qualitative, either quantitative, or mixed method. That's why normally the case study means such a research powerful methodologies to develop deep into a specific instance or a case within its real world context. This subject offers a comprehensive and nuanced understanding of a complex phenomena, shedding light indices of individual, group, organized event, and communities. Uh, Normally, case study about in-depth analysis of any context or phenomena or any event, any cases, and it is uh, based on real-world context, and it has variety application in different field of research, including social sciences, education, business, health, and so many law and many range of subjects. Uh, and on the basis of type of investigation, there are three types of case study research. Such are qualitative, quantitative, and mixed method research. Qualitative case study is a study that emphasizes understanding the experiences, perspectives, contexts of a specific case. Researchers collect data in the form of interview, observation, documents, and artifacts, aiming to uncover the how and why behind the case dynamic. The data is analyzed through thematic analysis, coding, and pattern recognition, revealing rich and descriptive insights. Similarly, the another type of case study is quantitative case study. Quantitative case study focuses on examining the relationship between variables within the specific case. Researchers used quantify methods such as survey, tests, experiments to gather numerical data which is then analyzed using statistical techniques like correlation, regulation, or hypothesis testing. These approaches allow for identifying pattern and testing hypotheses within the specific context of a case. And another type or another method of research is that a mixed method research. Mixed method research case study combine both qualitative and quantitative data to provide a comprehensive understanding of the case. Researchers utilize both qualitative and quantitative data collection methods, gathering insights from various resources and perspectives. The analysis integrates both types of data, creating a rich and multidimensional picture of the case, offering a balanced and nuanced understanding of phenomena or any context or any case. And then separately we can explain in this way. Quantitative case study normally it focuses on going to announce the understanding of how and why behind the situation, often with in-depth interview, observation, document analysis, and artificial analysis are taken tool. And it explores experiences. It helps to understand the context. It is description of any insights or different phenomena, different processes, dynamic outcomes, and thematic analysis of data. It, it can be analyzed thematically in this research study. And another is a quantitative survey study. Quantitative survey apply numerical data and statistical analysis to examine relationship between variables within a specific cases. This approach aims to identify pattern, test hypotheses, and quantify the impact of certain factor on outcomes. In this research, in this case study, the data collection tools can be used as a survey, test, and experiment, and data can be analyzed in correlation, regression, and hypothesis testing. For main focus is identifying the relation between variables and quantifying the impacts of any intervention. And examples: impact of new teaching methods on student performance in a single classroom, analyzing the effect of companies' new SR policy employee turnover. Another type of method, another method of case study is mixed method research. Mixed method research um, can be conducted in different ways. In qualitative data such interview, transcript, observation provide rich external information, experiential perspective, and motivation of individuals in the case. Mixed method case study integrate both qualitative and quantitative evidence to provide more comprehensive understanding of a case. This ability combine the strength of both method and allowing researchers to gain insight into both the experience and the perspective of individual within the case as well as the quantitative relationship between the variables. It is combination of both qualitative and quantitative data and integrated both in and utilize both qualitative and quantitative analysis techniques to create comprehensive understanding of the case. You know, the case study research is more applicable and more important research strategy, research method. Our case study research offers significant advantage for researchers seeking to gain deep contextual understanding of phenomena, and this study makes it valuable for exploring the world issue, developing theory, and informing practices. A main strength of this study, case study, are depth and detail. It case study allows researchers to delve into the intricacies of specific cases, providing a rich and detailed understanding of nuances, processes, and outcomes. The focus on depth allow to discovery of a complex relation and hidden factor that may improve the study, and it helps to contextual understanding. It is flexible to use and accept on different research questions approaches. Its practical application case study particularly value to practitioners seeking to understand specific real-world phenomena. It insight gained for case study to inform decision making, guide interview strategy, and improve practice in various fields. And having such a stance or importance, it has some limitations while conducting research. It is taught to generalize in every case. The case study is a study of some specific cases or particular case. That's why it may be taught to generalize it for in every concept. Another limitation is subjectivity. In quantitative research, researchers' bias and subjectivity can be potentially influence the interpretation of the data. Researchers strive the main objective and minimize bias, but the subjective nature of a quantitative data analysis can lead to potential limitation in the interpretation finding. And time and research intensive. It takes a long time and many resources in conducting the research. Case research as a powerful tool. A case study research offers valuable approaches for gaining deep contextual understanding complex phenomena, strength, including depth, contextual understanding, flexibility, and practical application to make it a powerful tool for exploring real issues, developing theory, and influencing practices. While acknowledging its limitations, researchers can utilize the case study research to generate risk nouns insight that contribute to knowledge and innovation in various field, fields. Uh, mm, Thank you so much for your attention.